There's something I want to say today. I want to teach on a topic that said the best way to succeed in life. There's things you will do that will make you to succeed or not. One, let go. Everything you do that does not yield you income, that does not promote you, that does not make you to success, you look at it and say, this is not something that I will be doing that will make me to have a good life. Let it go. Look at the situation of people. He said, Moses said, the Lord have sent me to you to deliver you, to bring you out to the promised land. The people of Israel know where they are. They know the place they are. They know the exact place, but they don't know where they are heading to. And because of that, they said to Moses, it is better we were there, we died there. Why? Because they know the exactly place they are. They know where the person is, but they don't know where they are heading to. That is the problem. It's better we let things go to get things in. Understand me? Look at the situation of Joseph, what Joseph passed through. If Joseph was to sleep with the woman, the king's wife, it may be he will have not become king. If David was to refuse to do what? To leave the sheep, to go and honor to go and give food to his brothers, it may be he will not kill Goliath. Many occasions, there are things you ought to let go for you to become whom you are called to be. Because if you refuse to let those things go, that thing that will make you special will remain there in darkness. 2, listen to everyone and don't speak much. It's good for you to listen to everyone. Take advice from people. Whether they are talking nonsense or not, take advice from them. And do the best you can do. And leave the rest for what? For God. Don't try to be talking no. Do the rest you can do. Listen to everyone. And those who give you the best solution to your problem, you can talk to them. You can tell them, this is the problem I have. I don't know how to solve it. You do what? They'll help you to tackle the problem. Understand me? 3, and don't let anyone understand you. This is the best way to act. This is the best way to process. This is the best way to increase in everything. Don't let anyone to understand the way you move, the way you do things. You are in school, you enter school, enter first before you let people to know. You are doing business, do it first before you let people to know. There's something you want to do in life, start it first before you let them know. Because once you have started, it's not the same word that we said at the beginning that we said when you have already started. No. You are about to travel first. When you get there, you call them. When they said, you travel without telling us, you said, no, it just on something urgent. I'm very sorry. But to God be the glory, I'm here now. That is the reason why I called you, so that you can celebrate it. You understand me? Why? Jesus said to them, this is my Father's temple. You can't turn my Father's temple as the house of a thief. You understand me? He acted another way. When they said, why do you act so strange? You don't like for us to understand you. You tell them, no. Not that I don't like. This is how I was brought out. In my Father's kingdom, this is the way we act. When they say, which kingdom are you talking about? You tell them, the kingdom of my Father, which is called Christ of Nazareth, the author and the finisher of my soul. I do that which please him. It's better you do things that please your Father than to do things that will displease your Father and to please others. You understand me? It's better you do things that will motivate your life, things that will yield something to your life. Please yourself, other than to please others, to displease yourself. Be wise, because life is too short to let people to understand you. Life is too short for you to be listening to for you to be talking too much. And life is too short for you not to let things go. Remember this. Always try to let things go. Because the more you let things go, the more things come in. It's just like trade word by pattern. The more you give, the more you receive. If you don't give, you don't receive. It's called what? Exchange. Rate of exchange. Trade word by pattern. Try to let go. This is all I have for you.